In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all the groups that you are following on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. So to get started, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile here by tapping on your profile image. And this will open your menu, and under it, scroll down until you see groups. And as you can see, we have groups here. If I go ahead and tap on it, you will see here we have your groups, and these are my groups that I am following. If you want to see all of them, just tap on this, see all, and then you can see all of them. These are all the groups that I'm following on my Facebook account. So you can go ahead and sort them, or you can search the group by its name, or you can just sort by most visited by clicking or tapping on this, and it will go ahead and give you an option either to choose from most visited or recently joined, or if you just want an alphabetical list, it will go ahead and list them. So that's how you find all the groups that you are following on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.